Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today's quite a special day for me actually. A couple of weeks ago I had a message on YouTube from one of the subscribers saying he loved the channel and he wanted to send me something. Now, we got in touch on Facebook and I've actually collected today through the post office the item. So here we are, we're going to open it up and see what I've been sent. Now, let's get her open, have a little look. What have we got here? Right, in the box we have, what's this? I'll come back to that in one sec. It's like, that's what you put the old press in, isn't it? The old torch press. Me and words don't get on. Right, what we got? Red laser. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. I've always wanted one of these. Wow. Oh my god. Now, apparently this is for my Crossman R1 or my AK1. So I'm going to have to dig them out, boys, girls, whatever you want to call yourself these days. Look at that. I've always wanted one of these, never got round to it. That is awesome. So look. Oh yeah. Holds that. That's quite funny because I've done a video the other day and my one was falling off all the time. That was doing my nutting. That is another thing I've been meaning to get myself. As I said on my other video, I quite liked it where it was. It was pretty cool. That is wicked. There you go, Mr. Jensen. Thank you for sending that to me. That is awesome. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and dig out my AK and the R1. We're going to try it on both and we'll see what one you'll think look better. That is absolutely wicked. I can't believe that. There you go. I can't wait to fit that on. I'm pretty sure that's got IR, laser, and the old flashlight on it. Hopefully I've got some batteries somewhere, I'm pretty sure. That should be the same as my Surefire flashlight ones. Hopefully they're still charged up. That's nice, that mounts up on a big tinny. That is wicked. Right, I'm going to go and dig out my couple of guns, guys, and we'll put them on and see what it's like. See how it looks. Obviously I'm going to have to edit the video and we'll be back with two different versions, see what we think. But thanks again, Barry, that is absolutely awesome. I've never expected anything like that off my channel. It's really nice to be appreciated, thank you so much. Alright, I'll be back soon, guys, thank you. Alright guys, here we are, back with the AK1. Now, I've just fitted it on. That, look at that, that is freaking sexy. Laser slightly out at the moment. Look at this thing. Flashlight. IR strobe. I've wanted one of them for so long. I can't believe this. This is awesome. Look at that now. I've had to take a few parts off my R1 because they kind of got confiscated off this AK the other day. So when I do the R1 video, I will change them back quickly again and see how it works. I guess some of you are going to think that red dot cannot see, but I can see perfectly over that. Right, I can't see my front sight, but I don't think that really matters once I've sighted that in. I don't think I could really put that on the side. because there's nowhere for my hand then, nowhere to trigger it. I've still got my Surefire underneath. I've just stolen the battery though, so it's not really helping matters on this situation. But that is awesome. Now I've got no plan for this actually, which is quite strange, but I'll do the video on that when it gets to it. Let's change it over to the R1, guys. I'll let you all decide what one you think looks better. Look at that. That is sexy as fuck. Well done, Barry. That is awesome, man. Thank you. We're going to try it over the R1. I'll let you all decide what you think. I'll be back in a minute, guys. We'll swap it over, see what you think. So, guys, just fitted it on the R1. What can I say? It's a very hard to make a decision here. That looks just as sexy as the AK. I was going to put it forward a bit more, but I think it's better situated with the holographic, really. But, look at that. I say, I've always wanted one of these. I'm so happy with that. I can't thank you enough for sending me this. This is just wicked. Look, that works perfect. You must have known me well. You know I hold my rifles here, so that worked out wicked. How's that? Where's the... Look at that. That is just fucking sick. There you go. Gotta let everyone make a decision there. What do you think better? To be honest, I love it on both. Probably be getting taken on and off a lot. Either that, I'll be buying myself one when I spending more money. That is absolutely awesome. I love that. What do you think, guys? What one? AK1 or R1? What should we keep it on? Also, better let Barry decide. I know he said I can put it on either, but I think they're both good. I think, to be honest, soon we're going to have another one of these. That is wicked. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching. This is a great appreciation for the channel. I'm glad to see it growing so well. Subscribers doing well. Getting plenty of views, so this is great. Good news. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your evening.